always so impressed that she can just turn herself around like that. She is a tiny boy.
Oh, green grass! Yay! Beautiful day in Concordia, Kansas. No wind, hardly any wind, not like we've been having at home. And they must have had more rain than we've had at home because there's actually green grass. We don't even have green grass yet, and it is April 28th. We normally have green grass, but we're in a bad drought. So happy to be here, happy to have the opportunity to be going.
Here's Miss Stevi, just all by herself, not caring the world, just kind of mowing down some of the weeds here in Concordia. Little break up the trip for her. She's so pretty. Headed down to Ruby Buckle because she's just a little rock star. Yeah, she was doing just a little rock star. She has been she had a little stomach issues earlier, but she was, now we're doing all right. You, yeah, you're pretty. Oh, are we gonna roll? Gonna roll? She's a good roller. Good roller. Oh, there we go. There we go. Big girl gotta roll. She takes so many naps too. Like she'll just, you turn her, put her in her stall after you're done running, and like come back 10 minutes later and she's just napping away, just sleeping the day away. You know, but she's not lazy. She's not very lazy, but she naps a lot. Now she's pretty focused on eating green grass because there ain't much of that at home right now. Yeah. Let's show us how we're doing.
Teach them to ride them and care for them and It's our first morning here in Guthrie, and so I'm going to try to stay on my fitness journey, and so I'm out for a walk and might even run a little bit, but things are looking great here in Guthrie today, and they've already ran the futurity, and so we're here for the open. Hopefully, fingers crossed, things will go well.
New Stevi. Now to your left. Marlon and James Butler, hosts of South Dakota, are the leaders of this 2014 Halloween event. Gracie Pearson, another of our new extended contenders.
Let's go! Go, go, go!
U.S. Firewater Wizards today.
Hustler! Go! Go, go, go!
18-14, 182, 14.
Stevi must be having a little bit of attitude with Gracie, I think, because she's making her move her feet. So, okay, we're on our way to Top Golf. Are you a good golfer, Gracie?
No, but I want to see how far I can hit it.
There you go. Ooh.
It always goes to the same spot.
There you go. That one went. Oh, it's still going.
Oh, really far.
Yeah, I don't think you hit any targets though.
No.
Here's the score.
Hey, these things happen. That's
I think I'm winning.
how.
See, it says my score is 4.
Oh,
You only have 2.
whatever.
Mom rules. You gotta twist your body as you're doing it. Like, so you're like this and then you push your hips forward. Yeah. Good try, yeah. Oh, we gotta stick to our horses here. There you go. Oh, our favorite places to come in Oklahoma City. This is Trappers. Pretty neat place. Good seafood, good steaks. Very good atmosphere. Gracie, why would you hate to be those turtles over there?
Well, they're just so closed in and they're at a restaurant and little kids mess with them.
Tapping on the tank all the time.
They're in the same place every day. Gosh.
We're on our morning walk, and so this is the beautiful Lazy E. We're coming around out in this pasture, and Stevi. Better not let go of you.
Stinson and Kimber Steffen in the U. 18-308, 18308 in the flag, fellas. Oh.
Just one away.
That was good enough to be second to 600 to the only 75 to the stallion. Penalty to Mary Gracie and Becky.
Go, go, go!
Good enough to Chris.
Sit down! Good girl! Go, go! Let's go!
Third barrel down, elevated.
Getting ready for I Fly. Woohoo! Made it home from the Ruby Buckle and got some laundry going, and now I'm on my horse Rabbit. And so Ruby Buckle didn't quite go like we wanted it to. Gracie made a solid run there on the first round, just didn't fall in the right cracks to win any money. And then in the second round she made a run that was 4/10 faster, but she started her turn a little too early on her third barrel. The mare didn't shoulder, so just one more squeeze with her legs or one more little bump with her legs would have got her going just that couple inches more that she needed to get by, but it didn't happen and the barrel came down, so that's the way it goes. So we made it home. Price of fuel was crazy. Highest we paid was $5.64. Absolutely insane. So if you're going places this summer, pack your wallet. But all in all, it was a great trip. We had great weather in Oklahoma, and it rained here at home while we were gone, so about 2.5 inches, and we needed that desperately. So thanks for joining us on our adventure, and see you next time.